Are you a gourmet animal? You can be. I'm Chris Murray, an obsessive, overbearing chef and founder of the Gourmet Animal, your new remote private chef. This was Fat Chris, 44 years old, June 2023. I thought waking up without a hangover was feeling good. I wasn't eating right, and I justified it as saving money. I realized, partially through a shaman in Topanga, that food is medicine, and investing in my diet was the most important investment I could make. In 3 short months, I lost close to 30 pounds and got in the best shape of my life. Thank you. Thank you. But what I really got was mentally shredded. You see, I developed more interest in my emotions. I started waking up early, even though I was often confused in the dark. I kicked my fears to the side like croutons to create the Gourmet Animal and bring the same transformation to you. You just sign up for a plan, do the simple reheating, and you're on your way to culinary glory. Eat cleaner and more deliciously than you ever have, all while trusting the source. Click now for a risk-free week and change your relationship to food forever.